Hello and welcome to the fourth Makios Cloud Files tutorial. Today we'll be looking at backups. This is going to be a pretty quick tutorial. We're basically going to be looking at a backups overview, creating backups, troubleshooting backups. There's not a lot of troubleshoot, but we're going to be looking at a couple steps that you could take, and also some general backup questions that we have received in the past. Now what we're going to go ahead and do first, of course, is log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and head over to our backups tab, and in order for this to work, you have to keep in mind that the local sync agent must be installed on your computer. If it is not, you will not be able to discover your C drive. So what we're going to go ahead and do is, you can see here my MacBook Pro, that is because the local sync agent is already installed, and of course it is registered under myself, or in this case the test account that we're using at the moment. So as you can see here, MacBook Pro, the account is linked and registered. So we're going to go ahead and proceed at this point. I'm going to go ahead and go through these files here, and this is pretty much all the folder structure for my MacBook Pro. I'm going to go ahead and look for the users. And here are some test users that I've created. I'm going to go ahead and click on this local admin and hit documents here, and I have a documents folder and a test folder. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit on my test there, and I'm going to hit save on that. Now here is my test folder, which is the folder that we're going to be backing up. Now we're going to go ahead and let this finish. Alright, there we go. So we can see here that we currently have an ongoing backup of users, local admin, documents, test. Now this one here, I actually do not want. I'm going to go ahead and toss this one. There we go, documents, test. Now we can see here the green check mark. Now this is here, of course, because now we are backing up. We are backing up this folder. So now every time that we create a new folder in here, that anything that gets changed, any files within this folder gets changed, we're going to go ahead and see them. They're going to be, backed up automatically. We don't have to do anything in order for that backup process to take place. And you can see that there. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. That's the way of creating backups. Now, in order to troubleshoot them, if you already have an ongoing backup and you go to that folder and you see that it is not green, you would have to go through those files and see what is not being synced. At that point, the best option would be to remove that backup and recreate it, let everything sync back to the cloud. At that point, everything should start working fine. If it does not, you could definitely contact us and we can help you at that point. Now the general backup questions is, we get asked very regularly is if this is a full backup solution, in which case it is not. Depending on what type of account you're paying for, and the storage space that you're paying for, depending on what you need backed up, it not might be enough. So this is not a full backup solution, but it is a backup service that it is available to you with Makios Cloud Files. And it is a very good backup service, for generally minimal things that you might need to back up, that you need stored in the cloud somewhere, just in case if anything might happen. So, like I said before, this is going to be a quick tutorial. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. The next tutorial is going to be file report and activity logs. I definitely appreciate everybody for joining me today, and have a great day.